Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss with you invitations writing. So firstly, students, we must know what is an invitation. An invitation is a request, a solicitation, or an attempt to get another person or group of people to join you for some special occasions. These includes birthdays, housewarming parties, inauguration ceremonies, conferences, shows, etc. So when we invite somebody on the auspicious occasion of wedding, annual day functions, or annual sports day, yoga camp, blood donation camp, when we invite people to attend it, then it is called invitation. An invitation. And invitation writing is being asked in your exam. It is of 4 marks. Format is 1 marks. Content is 2 marks, and expression is 1 mark. In the format, what you have to need to write, I will tell you. In the content part, I will explain what you need to write. So students, there are 2 types of invitations: formal invitation and informal invitations. Formal invitations are polite, pleasant, courteous. All printed invitation cards are generally considered formal invitations. They are also written as letters. Now we should keep some points in our mind while writing formal invitations. Formal invitations do not include the name of the addressee. They are always written in the third person, that is he, she, or it are used in place of I, you, or we. The occasion, name of the invitee, name of the host, date, day, time, venue, etc. are written in a proper sequence. Some more details like name, designation, address, etc. of the organizer, sponsor, or host should be included. If a VIP invited, then the name of the VIP should appear prominently. Types of invitation and replies. First, formal invitation. Formal invitations in the form of invitation card. Formal invitation in the form of letter. Second, informal invitations. Replies to invitation. Formal replies, informal replies. So students, now here I am going to tell you about the formal invitation in the form of invitation card. See, this is an invitation card. Here you are seeing MS Pioneers announce the opening of their new fitness club. So MS Pioneer here is the name of the host. Host means the organizer who is organizing the celebration, the program, the function. Okay, and first we should have to write the host name या organizer name. Second thing, we have to write the we have to write standard expression. Standard expression we have to mention next. Standard expression here means ki the sentences, the word you should use to invite somebody, like cordially invite, या seek the pleasure to invite, request the pleasure of your company, seek the pleasure of your company, cordially invite you to. This is your standard expression. Third, the purpose of the invitation. Ki what the occasion? Purpose of the occasion. What the purpose to invite? Like cult fit. And the purpose must be written in the bold and black letters, in the highlighted way, so that it could be seen. And then we have to write name of the honoree. In the case of the birthday parties, in the wedding celebrations, we have to write the name of the honoree, that is the birthday person, bride name, bridegroom name. Next we should write the details like day, date, time of the event, and it should be written in the expanded form. Sixth point, we must keep it in mind, place and location should be written. Then at last we should have to write RSVP. RSVP means respond s'il vous plaît, respond if you please. So students, in this way we have to write, and there is an example of it, a sample I have already have sent to you in the PDF, and in this video also you can see. Next is formal invitation in the form of a letter. In this letter, when we have to invite a VIP, very important person, so then we should have to write a letter. We should use the card format when we have to invite a lot of people. And the card format is used when a wedding celebration, when an inauguration ceremony of an institution, organization, and when any school event take place, then we should have to use the card format. Inauguration, birthday celebration, wedding parties, school events, we should have to use card format. But when we have to invite any VIP, very important person, so then we should have to write a letter. It is letter. And in the letter, we should have to write first sender's address, then the date, then after this, we have to write the receiver's address, then subject, and then we have to write salutation. In the sender's address, in the question we shall be given the sender's address. In the question, you have to copy it from the question. and then you have to write the date you have to be at the left hand side. You have to write the sender's address, then you have to write the date when you are writing the invitation. Then you have to write the name of the receiver, your designation, name of the designation means post name. Then you have to write the name of the receiver. It is very easy. You must have written invitation. You must have read about the letter writing in the earlier classes. Okay, the same way you have to write the letter only. Then you have to write the subject, and then after this you have to write salutation. Salutation means respected sir, yes sir. Then after this you have to write the body or content of the letter. In this content you have to write the purpose, details, request for the presents. Then after this you should have to close the letter, polite closing of the letter, and then you have to do signature and write your designation. So here student, there is a letter, it is being written here like this way कि भाई PQR International School, E7 New Model Town, Mumbai. Then one line gap and write the date, and date must be mentioned beta in the expanded form. Like it is today 9th July, JULY you have to write 9th July 2026. Then give one line gap, then write the receiver's name, Devinder Patnaik. It is in the question. Andheri East, Mumbai. Then give one line gap and then write the subject. Invitation for annual literary day. Annual literary day. Invitation for annual. Whatever subject of the invitation, you must have to mention it here. Then you have to write the salutation, that means ki respected sir, and then give one line gap again. It is a matter of great pride that our school is celebrating its 25th annual literary day on 25th September 2026 from 10 a.m. in the school auditorium. We shall consider it a great honor if you could grace the occasion by presiding over the function as the chief guest to share your experiences with the students and give away the prizes. Soliciting a line in reply or an email at admin at, that is the email ID that has been given. Thanking you, yours sincerely, Principal PQR International School. Student, in this way you have to note it down, it in your notebook, and it has been explained. If any kind of confusion, you can contact me on the WhatsApp, or you can contact me on phone if you have any kind of doubt, and later I will discuss some more formal invitation of card as well as the informal invitation letters, replies also. This PDF already I have some share it with you with your app, the new app of Evergreen Senior Secondary School. So you must see it in that app. I have sent the PDF there. Or with this I conclude this video. Thank you and happy learning.